Good afternoon, students. From today, we are starting online classes from our school. I think so. You are missing our school very much. So I am showing these benches. Starting from today, uh, we have taken till of chapter similarity, geometry of problem set till question number fourth. Now today we are taking question number fifth. See here, figure is given to you in this way. Given information is there. You have to find ENR. Means triangle in triangle PQS. PM is the altitude which is of 10 centimeter. Area of triangle PQS is equal to 100 square centimeter. Area of triangle QRS is equal to 110 square centimeter. Then find ENR. If you see these two triangles, triangle PQS and QRS, they have common base QS. Therefore, ratio of the areas of these two triangles is equal to ratio of their corresponding altitudes or heights. You can say PM by ENR. Reason you can give triangles having common base. Substitute the values here. This is 100. This is 110. PM is given to you 10. ENR we don't know. Therefore cross multiply 110 into 10 by 100. Simplify it, you will get 11. Unit is given, so you can write in centimeter. In the same way, see properly. In the same way, question number 6 is there. Triangle MNT and triangle QRS is there, which are similar triangles. Length of the altitude from point T is 5 and length of the altitude from S is 9. You have to find the ratio of this areas of these two triangles. Now here two methods are there. One is, as we have proved, ratio of the areas of these two triangles is equal to ratio of their corresponding bases if they have common height, and ratio of the areas of two triangles having common height or common base. This both we have seen. Now this is the new part, that is of altitudes. Altitudes we have not proved, but in exam means you can use two methods. One is to draw the triangle, and one theorem is there in your chapter. We have to use that method. Ratio of the areas of these two triangles is equal to ratio of their corresponding altitudes. And second is directly you can mention. Now in exam it depends on the marks distribution. If it is suppose of 4 marks, then you have to first of all prove the two triangles. I will give in short. Here see, I will draw the two triangles M and T. In this way, and again one triangle QRS. Now this is the altitudes, you can name it AB. Now what you have to do, as these two triangles are similar, so one angle you can take, and second is 90 degree, so you can prove these two triangles as similar, and you can prove here that ratio of the areas of these two triangles is equal to ratio of their corresponding altitudes. Now if it is of 2 marks, then what you have to do, directly you have to mention here triangle MNT is similar to triangle QRS. Therefore ratio of the areas of these two triangles is equal to ratio of the squares of their corresponding altitudes. Now first we have to mention here, let A1 be the altitude of a triangle MNT, and A2 be the altitude of triangle QRS. Okay, so here directly A1 square by a2 square. Substitute the values, 5 square by 9 square, you will get 25 by 81. So here two questions we have taken. Again daily now of all subjects your classes will be there conducted. So best of luck to you. You have to study hard. Some homeworks will be given to you. Today's homework is solve the problems from problem set practice set 1.1. Step by step you have to start. Okay, thank you.